Niuean broadcaster Susana Hukui has received a Queen's Service Medal for her services to the Pacific Islands community. Mrs. Hukui was the first presenter and producer of the television magazine Tangata Pacifica and worked for the Niuean and Pacific communities for 35 years. Mrs. Hukui later went on to work as a broadcaster for Radio 531 PI till recently. Susana Hukui said this morning on Radio New Zealand International that she was privileged that her colleagues recommend her for the award. She also said the face of television in New Zealand has changed over the years, and it has been wonderful to see some Pacific people on television, and that personally she thinks they have done a good job in terms of promoting Pacific people, but also have to thank the sports people, the academics and good leadership role models. Susana Hukui also provides news in Niuean for listeners of Radio New Zealand International.